detectives have been working around the clock and putting a lot of time into this investigation as we do other investigations. There's a lot of great work that's gone into this case. However, we're again coming to the community asking for help. The amazing work by our people is directly responsible for the outstanding results we've had in this previous year with a clearance rate approaching 80%. But again, that doesn't happen in a vacuum. It's not just the work the detectives do. It's assistance that we get from our community members and other partners in law enforcement. So today with Scott's family here, as well as representatives from the FBI Charlotte Field Office, we would like to announce an increase in the reward in this case. The FBI contacted us and offered an additional $10,000 in reward money for information leading to an arrest in Scott's murder. In addition to that $10,000, we've had some private contributors submit an extra $6,000 in reward money as well. That brings the total for information in this case to $21,000. That is information leading to an arrest in Scott's case. This information can be given anonymously. We ask that people call Crime Stoppers at 704-334-1600. We don't need your name. We don't need to know where you live. You don't have to testify in court. You simply need to give us the information identifying the people involved in this case, and we'll take it from there. I can tell you this year we've made more than 100 arrests as an agency based on information that's given to us through Crime Stoppers. Some of these cases include murder, rape, and robbery. So our community has been critical in us solving some of these cases. Today, you should have in your inbox a short clip of video of one of the suspects involved in this case. There is also several still images that depict a second suspect. It's critical that anybody in the community that recognizes these people contact us. They can call us 24 hours a day, again, to that Crime Stoppers number, and give us your information. The Brooks family really needs your help. The Brooks family has been a part of the community for years, and I've heard time and time again about the assistance that they've helped. When somebody needs something in the community, they've been there for them. We need the community to be there for the Brooks family today and step forward and give us this information so that we can find justice for Scott. Does anybody have any questions?
Where are we? You have the video. Can you say anything beyond that, Brian? We're all hoping to have some positive development.
Well, we have a lot of leads we're following up on. We have gotten tips, but we don't have, obviously don't have that tip, the tip that's led us to an arrest. So we're following up on not only previous tips that we've gotten from the community, information that we are able to cultivate from different tools that we use. The FBI is assisting us with some of that, as well as some forensic techniques to try to bring closure to this case.
In addition to the video evidence, are there geographical clues that could help? Like, I know you've got a light rail station there, maybe the videos were taken in different areas, whether it was across the street or from the business or from the light rail. Which direction of travel might help people think, let's put something together?
Sure. I can tell you they ran away from the light rail station, so back towards Davidson Street. And we have some video surveillance. Like I said, I think we talked about before, we've canvassed the video, doorbells, and some other assets that we have in the area. So we do a video. We know they ran away from the light rail station, but beyond that, we're still looking for more information.
Do you believe there's two suspects, Lieutenant?
There are two suspects. And you'll see from the video, they're covered head to toe. We believe that this was a planned robbery. They certainly had some knowledge, so that may help somebody in the community to know that somebody who had been in the area or was potentially planning to do this, that information may be helpful to us.
What role do you believe the man in the video played in the two? Do you believe he was the shooter? What role, any idea what he played and the other man played?
They're both participants in the robbery, full participants in the robbery.
Do you have a list of, have you expanded your list of persons of interest or suspects, or where are you at in that process? We have a list of suspects. I mean, we don't have a list of suspects per se, but we certainly are looking at anybody who could potentially have been in the area that could be a suspect. I mean, we follow the evidence where it leads, so it's not really that we start with a list of suspects and pare it down from there, so we just follow the evidence as we go along.
Brian, I see family members here. Does anyone, it's up to y'all, but we haven't heard from,
Well,
the community is really.
It's been the support from the community and the police department has just been overwhelming. And I do want to say that the support that we receive gets us through grief every day. It's not easy. It's not easy. He was my twin brother. And I just hope that this little bit of evidence and what we're doing today is going to help find and convict someone. Can't bring him back, but maybe bring a little bit of justice to not only us, but the community too. And I just appreciate the media, and I appreciate everything that the police have done and are going to continue to do. Thank you so much.
So just as a recap, the FBI has increased the reward amount by $10,000, and along with those additional contributions, that's a total of $21,000 cash for information leading to an arrest in this case. That information can be given anonymously. We don't need your name. We just need your information. So we're asking anybody that may have any information, no matter how small they think it may be, to call Crime Stoppers at 704-334-1600.